The magnetic link band just arrived at my house. We're gonna unbox it and just see what it's like. Is it gonna hold up? I don't know. Let's go ahead and get into it. First up, the box looks just like it did with the regular link band. You got the little pull tab right here. Just pull that open and then we just slide this right out. Little info on how the links work. As you can see right here, I have the old leather ones right here for comparison. And I'm also wearing my favorite leather link. This is the saddle brown one. I love this color, but we'll see what this fine woven stuff is really like. You got two, you got the longer half and the shorter half. This is the medium to large. Let's see how hard this is to get out. Ooh. I feel like I'm probably gonna damage the band just taking it out of the casing. There we go. All right, so there's the box. Not much in there. Okay, first off, the feel of it. I'm just not a fan of the woven nylon. It doesn't feel as suede-y as the MagSafe wallet does, but it's just, I don't know. It's very weird. It doesn't feel as good as the leather. The leather feels a lot more smooth, where this just feels a little rougher, but not awful, but there's definitely more texture and more grip, I guess you should say. Luckily, this isn't something you're gonna be wearing, like you're not gonna be feeling it. Like I don't just rub my watch and feel what the band feels like. I mean, looks of it, I like this blue color. I think it looks really nice. So my biggest concern with this band is gonna be how is it gonna wear? And I'm gonna keep wearing it every day, 24 hours for the next week, 2 weeks, and I'm gonna make new content on it to show you how it's looking, how it's wearing, all that kind of stuff. So be sure, if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. You can see right here, I also have the MagSafe wallet, and I mean, it's scratched up right here. Can't seem to get that off. It just, once you scratch these things, they just stay scratched. So we'll see. This is a device that you wear outside of everything, to the elements, all that. It's just, the material looks really thin. I mean, I guess they look close to the same. I don't know if you can really see that. I'll get some closer up shots as well. Sizing wise, I believe everything's the same. So let's go ahead and put large against small. I mean, if you look right here, it's a little bit shorter than the leather one. I don't know if you can tell the difference right there. Let's see if the same. Maybe they made up the difference because that looks a little bit longer on the short side. I'm not sure. I'm not sure how exact these things are, but this is like, it's almost like a whole separate one shorter. Now, I'm not just gonna scratch the outside because I want you to see what it really looks like when you actually wear it and like what kind of damage it's gonna take. But I am gonna try it on the inside of the band and just see what happens. So if you look right here, you can already see those two marks where I've already damaged the inside. So this is the inside. I'm not too worried about the inside because nobody sees that anyway. But I mean, I'll rub these, and just like the wallet, they are not coming off. So I'm really concerned. The leather wears as well. I mean, it all depends on what color you get. This is the chalk leather link, which is all white. And you can see like this leather has not held up well. I mean, it's got marks all over it. But with leather, it's like, I kind of like the look as it ages. And if you don't want like something like that, you get a darker color and you're fine. Like this one, it can just keep aging forever and it's just gonna keep looking better. Where this is, I believe, one of the darker colors that they have with the woven nylon. And when you scratch it, it gets lighter and it just shows up. Where most of these, the dirt or whatever, gets darker. So let's go ahead and get it on the watch and see what it looks like and what it feels like. All the link bands, leather and now woven, are always kind of rigid when you first get them. But overall, like, it's on there, it feels pretty good. I really do like this color. We'll just have to see what it looks like after a week, after 2 weeks, after a month, 6 months. I'm also just worried about what the magnets will do to the inside, because that's where it usually gets a little rough, because that's what this does. So if you look right here, all those markings are basically because that's where it latches. So it's just this side of the leather rubbing against this side. And when sometimes when you pull it apart, let's go ahead and try that. So you can already see just rubbing that against is already creating a little bit of a marks. It's not too bad. If you want to see how it's aged after time, as soon as that video is ready, I'll put it right here. But if you're interested in some leather bands, I got a whole series that I'm working on still that's right here. Hope you all have a great one. I'll see you in the next one. God bless.